What's up, y'all? We're back here with some more Mario Kart 8. We are trying to make our way through the original set of 48 tracks in the game and trying to get 1 star with gold in each of these cups, because if we do so, that will unlock a brand new character. It's one of the very few unlockable things that exists in Mario Kart. And so our first try at it, we did okay. I mean, we accomplished our goal of getting 1 star in everything. But that having been said, we did have some stinkers, especially in the Special Cup, Mushroom Cup, not so great. Flower Cup, we aced, and the Star Cup, we did okay, just barely losing out in Mount Wario at the end. With this time here, we are going to take on the next set of cups. It's going to start off with the Shell Cup, Banana Cup, Leaf Cup, and the Lightning Cup. And remember, our goal is to get 1 star in each of these tracks, each of these cups, which means that we have to either get 2 seconds, we're allowed 2 seconds, or 1/3. That's all we are allowed here. And we're starting off in Moo Moo Meadows. So this one, they had it in the Wii, but I remember that course being a lot darker. This one feels a lot more bright, a lot more lively. It's like you just let all of the cattle and the livestock out first thing in the morning, and we're just gonna spend some time racing. This is a great example of a Mario Kart course that is, like, in a way, bare bones. Like, it's just a bunch of, like, you know, tight turns and drifting, right? There's not really gimmicks. I mean, they do have some cows as obstacles, I guess, but it does have, like, it does have a point. It does have a theme, right? We're on a farm, you know, we're doing all this stuff, so that's cool. That's why, like, yeah, all the tracks, like, you know, Mario Stadium, Mario Circuit, all of them, they're fine, you know, and you know, they are very pure Mario Kart. But this is where Mario Kart ends up being a lot of fun, is when you have courses that are simple, but they're just fun to be in and fun to look at. Like, you know, Mario Circuit is fine, but I'm not, you know, when I think of playing Mario Kart, I'm not like, oh cool, let's go play Mario Circuit. That's not what comes to mind. Like, it's more something like this. Oh my god. And my buttons on some of my Joy-Cons are sticking here, which is why we've had some of the not as... Oh, there we go, again. That was a stuck button. I should charge up these Joy-Cons here before I get screwed by one of them. Okay, we made that. That was first almost from start to finish, I think. That was a pretty good performance. I would say definitely better than the Wii course. I mean, generally speaking, all the courses as they've rendered them in Mario Kart 8 are better than how they were originally, but that one especially, I think. Okay, we got a second, just as I mentioned Mario Circuit, we have a second Mario Circuit here. So yeah, again, a lot of tight turns, a lot of drift action going on here. But again, this should be not too bad for us. We don't want to fall, or not. We don't want to hit those potholes because I think they will stagger us just barely. These tracks are so freaking quick, man. I did mention in the last video that if you fall behind, the nice part about 200cc being like the speed being so fast is that you can come back. But with some of these shorter tracks, yeah, see, yeah, that does stagger you. Yeah, but with how short these tracks are, I mean, yeah, if you fall behind, you have to make up a lot of ground and not that much real estate. Eh. Okay. I was hoping to get to that little pothole there before the the blue shell got there, so I could try to eat that hit and not take the blue shell hit, but no matter. I think that was okay. We did okay on that one. Could have been a little bit cleaner. Ah, yeah, Cheep Cheep Beach. So, DS courses are the ones that I'm most familiar with, just because for me that was like middle school times. We all used to have DSs in class. We'd play. I think the teacher knew, but she didn't say anything until the last day of school. Shout out to Mrs. Swales. Yeah, we used to play these all the time. And, you know, the DS had that oh god, the DS had that little startup sound. If you've played the DS, oh god, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And there was no way, even if you had, I think, even if you had the DS on mute or the volume slider all the way down, I don't think there was a way to turn off the little starting sound. I'm pretty sure. So we'd always not get caught, but we'd always like be super conscious of like trying to time the startup sound with like something else that was happening, so it wouldn't be audible. Oh, that was a bad spot to use a mushroom. Stupid. Oh yeah, there's a lot of close quarters in this track. I think I have a boost coming up here, which will get rid of these fucking ink stains. Oh, and the lightning, of course. Wait, the boost. Alright, not the worst thing in the world. Let's try to get double tricks off of these. Cool. And then I don't have anything! And it knocked me out of the double item. Okay, yeah, that mushroom just being there saved me. I almost missed the... I wonder if you can pass the finish line from the left, and if it'll count that. I'm not sure if it will. That would have sucked, though. That would have sucked. Okay, Toad's Turnpike. This one is fun. You just gotta dodge all the oncoming traffic. I think I went early. Oh no, I'm good, okay. I started that a little bit too early. We're good. Yeah, the most important thing here is to figure out how to time your boosts. Because you could boost right into a car and not even realize that that's what you were doing. Like right here. I'm gonna try to be greedy. Okay, that somehow worked out in our favor. That could have gone badly. You do have these like ramp cars. Oh, I fucked up the trick on that one. And there are very few item boxes. Or there are item boxes here, but they're all like moving around and they're trailing some of these cars and they're not in like fixed spots. This is the better one. Just boost off of here. Okay, I braked to avoid. Oh my god, I still got hits because I suck. Alright. Should probably not be just riding with the green shell here. Ah, I missed the trick again, man. Oh my god. Okay. That could be a death knell. Just because this track is not very long. Oh my god. This is stupid. I'm very mad at myself right now. Get out of the way. I need some items, man. Man, what a fall from grace here. Oh, I somehow got second. I mean, I guess if it's not a perfect game, I kind of don't care whether it's a 1-star or a 2-star, but man, okay. Yeah, just a foolish foolish set of circumstances there. Yeah, you hit, since everything's so condensed, if you hit one car, then all of a sudden there's like 3 people around you, and there's cars in the road, and the CPUs, and there's like a lot going on. It's hard to dodge everything around you, and then now you just keep hitting stuff. And that was my fault. I got mad. I got mad at myself, and then I just mushroomed, and then I ran to something else, and I probably could have finessed the first, especially if we were that close. We got second just barely, so. Alright, let's go back in here. I think that Toad Turnpike, yeah, that was the N64 course. Alright, we're gonna go into the Banana Cup now. And so yeah, we have another desert. We have the Donut Plains. And I forgot the third one, then we have the DK Jungle, which is definitely the highlight here. This is the Double Dash course, and it looks great. Has a very Egyptian theme, obviously, with all the little obelisks. Oh god. Okay. I thought I could trick off that. Well. Yes, Oasis thing is cool. I can't remember whether the original version of this track had that. Stupid, man. Ah. Although I think the bomb and the red shell cost me the same time-wise, so not terrible here. Oh, went the wrong way. I think everyone's struggling. Everyone's struggling on this. Yeah, I don't know what the optimal strategy is for this little sinkhole thing. I think you just drive straight through it. Alright, we're in decent shape here. I don't feel great about the lead, but fuck out of here. Tried to roll the dice there with some items. Alright, we end up right where we started. Okay. Alright, here. Cool. It's a trick, and we're home free. Very nice. Good stuff. I like the fallen pillar. That's such a nice little touch there. Alright, Donut Plains, as the name suggests, gonna be skidding and drifting a lot. And braking a lot. Okay. Yeah, darn it. I was indecisive, and that's the worst thing to be in this game. Ooh, okay. I thought he was gonna use that sandbox right away. He's got a bomb. Gotta be real careful. Oh, did he drop it? I thought he had a bomb in his hand. Maybe I was mistaken. Okay. Yeah, already on lap 3, man. These are just quick courses out here. I handled that badly. Yeah, I didn't need a trick off of that. That would have been a disaster. Okay. Hey, what was the time on that? Like, definitely less than 30 seconds per lap there. Now, there's a Royal Raceway right next to Peach's Castle. I love like the seasonal, like you got the cherry blossom thing going. Obviously a Japanese kind of homage there. This one I think is a lot more forgiving on the turns and such. This is not super tight on it or anything. I say as I botch a turn completely. Jeez. And those piranha plants don't attack you. At least I don't think. I don't know whether to draft behind him to try and get the boost. Then I was afraid of him using the banana. Yeah, sometimes I'm not exactly sure of how smart the CPU stuff is. Because, like, would it know that I was right behind it? Like, would it have that presence of mind? Because, I mean, they shoot shells backward with a pretty remarkable degree of accuracy on that. Yeah, I like all the balloons in the air. That's certainly a fun touch. Yeah, too bad we can't actually go like really close up to the castle. We're just kind of on the outside of the castle here. Yeah, I wonder why this is like one of very few. Come on. This is one of very few stages. Oh, come on. Alright, I was about to say, I think I was in the safe zone there. Alright, so we gotta book it here. Alright, we should be able to get the inside track. Yeah! Woo! Okay. Yeah, I wonder what made them decide to not have the piranha plants be like attacking ones. They're just more there as window dressing. Okay, I feel good about that one. That was a good performance under pressure there. We're gonna end with DK Jungle. So we had 3 pretty vanilla tracks, and then we get a super fun one here at the end. Look at those. It's a very like I don't know if it's Aztec or Mayan, some kind of like native Hispanic peoples type of vibe here. At least as far as the architecture goes. Of course, any DK course, you have all these barrels hanging out here. Oh god. Okay. We get to bounce off of this flower and then fall into the ditch. We've got these tiki dudes here, and we are going to be in last place shortly. Somehow we're not in last place. There's some CPUs that suck. Alright, let's see if we can go 10th to 1st in the span of a lap. 3rd. I think we'll be able to get 2nd. Let's see if we can get 1st. There we go, that should be 1st right there. Almost. Alright, hit you there, that is 1st. Cool. That's exactly what I mean. If you play this right, and especially with the items that you get back that early on. Okay. I can't be messing that up twice in a row. Let's get the double item here. Like little frogs jumping around. And you just have that floating banana in the middle. I guess because of the banana cup. And because of DK. And you have these huge like statues blowing wind. That's so fun. Like very well put together course. A lot going on. Alright, let's see if I can nail this. Oh my goodness! Oh come on, man. I knew that was gonna be my weak spot of the track, and I still fucked that up. Somehow I'm in first. I'll take it, I'm not gonna question it. Okay. Should be in good shape, pending blue shell. That's always kind of the motto here, huh? Cool. Okay, good start here. I think that's one of the few courses that they did keep fairly consistent from the previous game. They didn't mess with too much stuff there. I mean, obviously with all these, like with the flying ability and stuff, they have modifications, but generally speaking, yeah, I would say that's probably generally my least favorite cup, the banana cup. And it was like, yeah, not very fun to revisit that one. Next up, I forget the name of it. I think this Leaf Cup? Leaf Cup should be the next one up on the list here. Okay, yeah, so we got Wario Stadium, Sherbet Land, Music Park, and Yoshi Valley. Yoshi Valley is one of those courses where I feel like I can get first on the first three, and then the last one I am less confident in. 150cc I'm fine with pretty much any course in the game, I'd say. There's a couple that are difficult, but yeah, this at 200, I mean, any course could go wrong at any point. But Wario Stadium is a very fun one. And there's a DS course, so I have a pretty distinct memory. I think they mainly added like a bunch of obstacles here. Like I remember there being like this much like fire and shit that's just like in the way for you to dodge. Yeah, I don't think they have the fire rings as far as I remember. Oh man, okay. Oh, it pulled me way back. Yeah, oh. Okay, all right, that's okay. That's all stuff we can fix. I got a double item even though I had a banana sitting there. Oh my goodness, okay. Gotta be careful of that. Okay. Okay, yeah. Alright, see? Yeah, second time around you can fix pretty much all your mistakes. Let's get back on the ground here. Start that drift early. Okay. Yeah, it's okay to make mistakes as long as you don't make the same mistakes twice here. There we go. 4 for 4 on that one. I think your spacing has to be correct more so than anything. Get that 4 for 4. Okay. You can't fall off here. Okay. And we fell off. Okay. Good work, somehow. Somehow, good work. Oh yeah, Sherbet Land. This one's from Double Dash. I really like how they have, generally across all these courses, I like when they have the two choose your own adventure kind of pads. So on this one we can go, there's a section where we can go on the ice, or we can just, yeah, anywhere, at any point. There's so many cracks in the ice, we can just dive underneath and go into like the underwater. From a racing standpoint, I think I like being atop the ice a little bit better. Oh, wonderful. My drafting got me in trouble there. Oh, dude, PD Piranha? He scared me. I thought that was the actual like piranha plant item. Oh, stupid, yeah. Not a huge fan of being underwater. Oh god. That angle. Alright. Gotta lock in here. Yeah, see, some people just choose to go underwater. Did I get him, or did I just completely miss? Yeah, I completely missed. Yeah, I gotta nail that turn, because that's that's the turn I got caught on the last lap. I like how lightning attacks all the ice things too. That's a nice little boost they give us at the end. Okay. Walls, okay. Got just enough visibility on this one. There we go, that's a perfect set of braking right there. Less than perfect on that one, but I'll take it. Ooh, there we go. That's a fun one. You know what's crazy is in all these courses, I haven't really sought out, or nor do I really know any of the shortcuts in any of these guys, to be honest. I think they have like 2 to like 4 shortcuts per course. I think the CPUs know about them. I've seen the CPUs. The CPUs take them, because I've seen them like kind of coming out of all these random spots. Yeah, I love this one. This one is so cool. Especially the little like keyboard, xylophone, or whatever you want to call it, pathways. Yeah, it's a tough when they don't have the railings. There is, oh my god, it's been so long since I played this. There's some trick to the, oh wonderful. And I missed the trick. There is some trick to the music playing in the background. You can, there's randomly where it'll shake, and you can like trick off of it, no matter where you are in the course. I just forgot the little secret to how to do that. Yeah, I think he just did it right there. You saw the little music notes around him? Oh my god. Alright, that will be very helpful. Oh, whoa, I went like above the stadium. That's pretty fun. Okay, mushroom came in handy there. This one we gotta be... Okay, well, better than falling off, I guess. And I did a trick, good. yeah, I almost got sandwiched by that thing. Oh no. Oh, okay. Good thing my banana ate it. That could have been disastrous. That could have been disastrous right there. Yeah, it's like every like fourth or fifth whatever note they play, or something to do with the drums. There's some secret. I gotta look that one up. Yoshi Valley. This is an awesome, just very open. It feels large. There's like a section where you have 4 choose your own adventure kind of pathways. But they're like all on land. So they're all kind of equivalent. I think there's probably one that's faster, but instinctively, like I said, I just always like to go left. So I take the leftmost path here. Darn it. Okay. He crashed right behind me. That was funny. Come on, PD Piranha. Bye-bye. Oh no. Full. Inside corner there. Oh, he had one ready to go. I'm gonna hold on to this red shell for the moment here. Oh, well, probably shouldn't have done that. 2 stars in a row, bro. 2 stars, and then we have some squid action. Yeah, this is... Like I told you, man. I freaking told you. This is... It's one of those ones where... It's painful. Still holding on to that red shell here. Darn it. I was trying to get the inside corner on him so I could zoom past because I knew it had locked onto him. Onto PD there. Okay, either way, we've somehow found ourselves in first place through very little of our own doing. Oh, dummy. Dummy, dummy, dummy. Oh. Not falling off is the most important thing there. Else comes second to that. Alright, got a red shell and a banana. Been holding onto that red shell for a full lap at this point, so gotta make good use of it here. Okay. You know what? That was actually a mistake by me. I should have been in the middle of that pathway, just in case there was somebody right behind me. They would have gotten caught by the blast. I was too far on one side of the pathway. That's my mistake. Okay. Pretty good deal. I'd say that's a pretty good cup overall. It doesn't quite reach the heights of the last section with the special cup and the star cup, but that's another one where all 4 of those tracks are indeed fun. We are 2 for 2. Or sorry. We're 2 for 3, excuse me. And then, let's go ahead and close it out here with the Lightning Cup. Which I would say this is probably the best of the bunch. Just in terms of the diversity of stuff you have. You have a classic with Tick-Tock Clock. You have the Volcano one. You have a Rainbow Road. And the Piranha Slide is also a lot of fun. Tick-Tock Clock is a DS track. And of course, it's goes all the way back to the original Super Mario 64. It's one of the upper floor levels in Peach's Castle. I love all like the little gears and the various cogs, and just the track feels very cohesive. I missed the boost and I fell. It's the worst of both worlds. Could have held out the mushroom behind me. It's fine. Not doing terribly. Okay. This one I think I know well enough to not get burned by the ink. There we go. That's better. Oh, darn it, missed the trick. Okay, I gotta deal with these fucking gears. Okay. We'll take it, man. Oh god, alright. No defenses here. We're close enough to the finish, but we should be okay. Cool. Awesome track. So next up we're going to have the Piranha Plant Slide. This one, I want to say, obviously the underwater parts, they've revamped just how they do the mechanics underwater in Mario Kart 8, but it's similar to the old one again, although I didn't really play the 3DS one all that much, but so maybe my memory's a bit hazy on what they kept and what they changed, but 200cc while you're on the water slide, because the water obviously accelerates you. This is like insanely fast. Genuinely crazy how fast we go on this part. See if we can get the ramp here. Yeah. It's crazy how much your muscle memory kicks in, because I mean, like I said, these tracks I haven't played in a while, but when I did play them, I played them like, I probably played this track like a dozen times, but it's not in recent memory. Should hit right there. Ah! I didn't see the ramp that messed up my throw. How did I change drifts? I don't know how that happened. Cost me first for the moment here. Oh, I have the mushroom. Oh no, I fucked that up. Oh my god. Jeez. Talk about fucking that up, man. Oh my god, okay. That was terrible. I tried to be too smart. Tried to be too smart for the game here. Alright. See if we can make up our mistakes here. Oh, was I first already? I released the thing not realizing. Okay, that could have been a comfortable win, but we had to make that a little bit challenging for ourselves there at the end. Man. Alright, Grumble Volcano. This one is definitely the highlight of this cup here. especially because there's parts of the track that keep on falling off as you're kind of going through it. So the turns get like tighter and tighter. See the part where it's cracked? That's gonna fall off on the subsequent run. What the heck? Alright. Had the perfect item at the perfect time there for that one. Yeah, again, this is one of the ones where I should hold on to the shroom for just hold on to the shroom, the glide for a little bit longer, so I could choose where I want to land. Alright. I don't know when I became third, but let's fix that shortly. I think on the third lap it kind of falls off. I'm playing so badly, okay. Yeah, it's such a tight track to try and get right all throughout and not bleed onto the edges here. Yeah, see, so that part fell off. I think that's true a couple times. Oh my god! It's terrible. Alright, let's keep in first place. I really want to use the rear view, but let's not try to get fancy for no reason here. Yeah, this gets so narrow. Oh, I got trapped by the sign there for a quick second. Alright, this is the N64 Rainbow Road. Now, to be honest, I have no memory of the N64 Rainbow Road. So, I don't know what they changed and what they didn't change, but I mean, N64 was a long time ago, so I imagine it's pretty reimagined here. Alright, the goal is, let me set a goal for myself. We're only going to fall off once, okay? We're only allowed one fall off here. They do have railings for some parts here. We're already on lap 2. This one is a all the way through type of deal. Alright, I hate when that happens right as we get the drift. I don't want to be holding that bomb. That was a well-placed banana. It stopped me from getting the double item there. But can't stop me twice here. Okay. Good shape. Oh god. What the heck? What even happened there? Oh, that blows. That blows. Ah! Man! I kind of want I want to see what happened. I don't know what I got hit by. It must have been with a shell. Actually, no, it must have been with a banana. He probably had like spinning bananas around him or something. Let's see if we can catch it on the highlights. That's frustrating. I felt great about that. We didn't even fall off. Yeah, look at that. Look at that beautiful drift. For what? Was that what happened at the end there? Yeah, I think that is what happened at the end. So he had... Oh, he had spinning reds. Oh yeah, so he boosted off of me, and then I think that red shell came around. Yep, and then it hit me. Okay. Man, oh man. Well, at least we got third. With all that happening at the end, we could have easily slipped to fourth or fifth and not gotten any stars and had this all be a gigantic waste of time. That could have happened. So we gotta eat the 1 star there. Okay, so we got, I think that was what? 2 3 stars, 1 2 star, and 1 star there at the end. Yeah, these tracks are also organized, so the last one is the toughest, and it always sucks to end on a down note. So yeah, we're making good progress. We'll go ahead and pick it up next time, and it's going to be the final set of 4 courses here.